that those who are elected through our party ODM, these are the people, some of the MCAs who are elected through our party are being used by moles from Kenya Kwanza. So I want to plead with our MCAs. You know, when we were being elected, we all know that we are supposed to be oversighting our governors. When oversighting them, that does not mean that even if there is nothing wrong that they have done, that we are supposed to go to bed with our opponents who are members of UDA to influence us that we impeach our governors. So the few MCAs who are doing this, know that your days are numbered. And as leaders, your leaders from all the assemblies in Nyanza, we have decided that we'll now be exposing you because we also want to know our numbers. If you know that you are in a group that is always against the developments that are being done by our county governments, then know that you are our enemy. So if you are an MCA who was elected and is currently serving in the assemblies by ODM, kindly we want to request you, because all the majority leaders standing here, we are all elected by ODM, and the majority parties in Kisii, Homa Bay, Migori, Kisumu, and Siaya, even Nyamira, all the majority leaders were elected through ODM. So we are cautioning you. Please, we must protect our leaders. We must protect the governors. We must protect our speakers. We must protect our county assemblies and the executive. And for those MPs, maybe we don't know whether you want to stand, you want to become governors. There is still time. There is no any MCA across the region who is oversighting CDF, because that is not our role. As MCAs, we know our role. We represent the people who elected us. We oversight the executive, that is under county government, and we know that there is county national assembly where our MPs are, and they are supposed to be oversighting the president of this nation and his executive. So we want to request them that please do your role. Oversight Ruto, stop oversighting our county governors. We are very much able, and we are ably oversighting our county executives. Thank you very much.